Hello guys and welcome here. My name is Marco and welcome once again to another of my courses. So before we even start the course, I'd like to thank you all for joining another of my courses. It will really be an honor for me to help you learn something new, especially in the cryptocurrency world. So really, I'm really happy to be your teacher. It's a subject that really passionates me. I've been in this industry for a few years as well. And what I will do in this course is basically give you a little bit about, talk to you a little bit about what I know about this business, how I personally trade, how I used to trade, and some of the strategies that you guys can reuse for yourself. So just for you guys to understand, this course will not make you multi-millionaires or millionaire traders or whatever. This course is really for general information. You will see some trading strategies that I personally use. You can try them out yourself. I'll teach some basic things such as analysis and other things. And I'm pretty sure you guys will like it also. So let's start the course. So basically, what is the goal of this course? So this course is really, in my opinion, how I wanted to create it is really a teaching course. So I wanted first of all to teach you the basics of cryptocurrency. So we're gonna talk a little bit about the theory of cryptocurrency, different type of coins that exist. We're gonna talk about different markets that exist. So we're gonna talk about the cryptocurrency market. We're gonna talk about other markets that exist. So the stock market, the forex market, other commodities market. What I like about the crypto market, what I don't like about the crypto market. So basically, we're gonna cover pretty much everything that you guys need to know about cryptocurrency. Because my goal here is really for you guys to understand where exactly you're getting in. Because there is a lot of people investing in cryptocurrency thinking they will become multimillionaires the day after, but it's not how it works. So we're gonna talk about how pretty much investing and trading works. So I'm gonna show you the different ways that it's possible to invest in crypto projects. So we're gonna talk about different crypto projects that exist. I'm not gonna recommend you no crypto projects, but I wanna talk about different crypto projects that exist. Once again, since you guys know the majority of crypto projects are scams, so we're gonna talk about ways that you guys can differentiate scams from not scam projects. Once again, it will be up to you to find your own projects and invest in them. But we're gonna talk about different ways that you guys can find good projects and how exactly can you spot pump and dumps and scam projects. So especially in the crypto world, there is a lot of them. Next thing that we're gonna talk about, we will talk about various crypto projects. So when I'm talking about various crypto projects, as I said a little bit earlier, we're going to talk about some bigger projects, some bigger coins, such as Bitcoin, such as Ethereum. We're going to talk why basically those coins worked so well. We're going to talk about the concept of meme coins as well. So why exactly meme coins work, we're going to, why it works and why there is a lot of pump and dump there. Why is it that easy for people to pump and dump some coins, so how you can even create your own coin if you want it. So we're really gonna cover all this in this course. You'll see it's gonna be pretty cool. Finally, we're gonna talk about trading versus investing in cryptocurrency. So we're gonna talk about the difference between trading and investing. I'm gonna teach you basically what is the difference between both of those terms in a theoretical way and in a practical way. So how can you trade? So trading, basically, we're gonna talk about the smaller time frames and things like this. Investing will be more on years. We're gonna basically check some cryptocurrencies, check how much money it's possible to make on the short term, and how much money it's possible to make on the long run if you guys invest your money in it. So basically, we're gonna compare all this together, and this way you guys will have a better understanding of what exactly is cryptocurrency, and if you wanna start investing in this market. Now, what exactly will be the course content in order? So first thing I'm gonna talk about, we're going to talk about the basics of the cryptocurrency. So really understanding what exactly is the cryptocurrency. We're gonna talk about some different popular cryptos, so the Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, which is Ripple. I think Dogecoin is popular as well. So we're really going to cover the most popular cryptocurrencies that exist right now, and basically really understand what they have in common. Then we're going to talk about some different types of cryptocurrencies that exist, all the hundreds of other projects that exist, well, the thousands of other projects that exist, and basically understand what exactly is cryptocurrency as a whole, so can it be used and other things like this. We're gonna talk about different coins, so as I said a little bit earlier, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other popular coins. We're gonna talk about different crypto projects. So for those of you who didn't know, cryptocurrencies are basically used by some businesses as stocks. So when you buy the stock of a business, this means this business is public. So you basically buy a piece of that business. So what exactly some people do with ICOs, which are initial coin offering, they will tell you that they sell you a piece of their business. You can invest in their business by buying their cryptocurrency. But it's really simple to scam people with this because it's not regulated. So we're going to talk about this as well. We're going to talk about regulated crypto trading platforms. For those of you guys who want to start trading, I'm going to propose you some platforms that I personally use. So you can trade cryptocurrencies on them, and you can trade other things on those platforms as well. You're free to use them, or if you don't want to use them, you're free to not use them. But what I like about the platforms that I'm going to talk about is that they're regulated. So once a platform is regulated by a certain entity that is in, well, let's say it's in Canada or America, well, the USA, this means that it's an entity, well, this means that it's a platform that is reputable, because in those countries to be regulated, it's not easy. Next thing, understanding the basics of trading. So we're going to talk about trading as a whole. So we're going to talk about different trading strategies. We're going to talk about types of analysis. So we're going to talk about technical analysis as well as fundamental analysis. We're going to talk about the difference between those two types of analysis as well. So you'll see it's going to be pretty awesome. Another thing that we are going to do, well, with those techniques, we're going to talk about them, but what exactly you will be able to do after that is that you will be able to basically use those techniques, so the simple strategies that we're going to learn in this course, and you will be able to reuse them to trade other things, such as in Forex, in the stock market, in the commodity market. You'll see it's going to be pretty fun as well, because all the technical analysis strategies, you will be able to reuse them. For the fundamental part, it's a little bit different. In crypto, you will not analyze the same fundamentals as you will analyze in stocks. For example, in stocks, you will look at the financial paper. You will look at how much income the business have made, the investments that the business have made, the spendings of the business. In the forex market, you will look at some other fundamentals. You look at the country as a whole. So there is a lot of differences for the fundamental part, but for the technical part, it's pretty much the same thing for all the financial products that exist and for the cryptocurrencies as well. We're going to talk about long-term investments as well in cryptocurrencies. So we're going to talk about trading, so day trading and swing trading. And finally, we're going to talk about a little bit more long-term investments for the people who just want to place their money there and keep it placed for a few years. Well, keep it invested for a few years. I'm going to talk about the fact that if it's a safe way to invest your money, yes or no. And basically, if you want to do it, how you can do it. So you'll see it's going to be pretty awesome. Finally, what will you be able to do by the end of this course? So as I said, my goal here was really to initiate each and every one of you to cryptocurrency, just that you guys understand that it's not a get to rich quick scheme. My goal here is to be 100% transparent and not try to sell you a crypto or whatever. I will use mostly, well, the examples that I'm going to use will be based on the biggest coins that exist. So usually we're going to talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other things. And I'm never going to recommend you nothing pretty much, especially besides of some platforms that I personally like. I'm not going to recommend you no coins. My goal here is really to help you decide what type of trader you want to be in the crypto world. So it's more for you guys to understand if you want to become a trader or more of an investor, in the sense that if, for example, you want to place your money on the long term or more on the short term. So just for you guys to understand what is the type of what type of trading, what trading style you guys want to have. So this is my goal at first. So you guys find your trading style and decide what type of coin you want to trade based on your trading style. Next thing that we're going to talk about is understanding how you can analyze crypto. So from a technical perspective, how you can analyze cryptocurrencies. So working with charts, using indicators, using different elements To be able to do so, we're going to work with well, a popular place. You'll see it's called TradingView. We're gonna work with TradingView to be able to do so. It's completely free, and you guys will probably like it. Well, to make all the analysis, so we're not gonna work on platforms directly. Next thing that we are going, well, that you guys will be able to do is be able to use your knowledge in trading to trade not only crypto but other products as well. So especially for the technical analysis part, you guys will be able to technically analyze different other financial products, such as I said, the stocks, forex, and the other commodity products such as gold, oil, or if you want to trade in the commodity market, there are hundreds of other products that exist. Finally, you will be aware of all the dangers that are around the crypto world. So we're gonna talk about all the scams that exist. So basically everything that is, well, everything that can be considered as a scam in the crypto world. You'll see it's really common in this world because it's not regulated, well, mostly not regulated in all the parts of the world. This is why scams are pretty frequent in this, well, in this space. So I hope you guys will enjoy the course. Once again, I'm really happy to be your instructor for the next few hours of this course. And yeah, so besides of that, see you guys at the beginning. Well, this is the beginning of the course, so see you guys on our next class.